Welcome back, fellow explorers. Today, we're diving into the haunting depths of Earth's history to uncover some of the most spine-chilling creatures that once roamed our planet, so hit the like and subscribe. The first animal is the Megalodon. The Megalodon was a huge prehistoric shark that lived for approximately 23 to 3.6 million years ago during the Miocene and Pliocene epochs. They estimated such a monster could reach lengths of up to 82 feet or more, while the length of Mega's teeth were several inches long. Megalodon used to live in all oceans around our planet. Fossils have been found on every continent. Megalodon was a top predator that probably hunted many diverse marine mammals, including whales, dolphins, marssuals, and seals. It went extinct around 3.6 million years ago when the Pliocene epoch ended, marking its end of life on Earth. Its extinction may be the result of temperature changes in ocean waters, prey availability, or competition with other marine predators are among version theories that might have influenced its disappearance. The next animal is the Teratornis. The Teratornis is a genus of large, extinct vultures that inhabited North America during the Pleistocene epoch. Teratornis were alive in the course of the Pleistocene epoch, which lasted from about 2.6 million to 11,700 years ago. These birds were essentially scavengers and fed mainly on carcasses left by larger animals, but with powerful talons and a beak adapted for capturing and devouring its prey, they were still a force to deal with. Since they are scavengers, they also played a crucial role in shaping the ecosystem of its time. The precise reasons for their extinction are still controversial, but were probably connected with environmental changes. The next animal is the Quetzalcoatlus. The Ketsalkadas is a large pterosaur genus, which represents the group of flying reptiles that were around 68 to 66 million years ago. Quetzalcoatlus was one of the largest flying animals ever known. Estimates for its wingspan range from 30 to 40 feet. Some variation within the genus may have had different sizes. Pterosaurs like Quetzalcoatlus were found all over Earth, although specific fossil findings find they are mostly concentrated in North America. Quetzalcoatlus, needless to say, many other pterosaurs and dinosaurs went extinct at end of Cretaceous time probably. The next animal is the Dunkleosteus. The Dunkleosteus is a genus of fish from prehistory that lived around 358 to 382 million years ago during the late Devonian period. Some fossils provide clues about this creature. For some specimens, they have been discovered in many parts such as North America, Europe, and even Morocco. It was one among the largest and strongest members of Placid. Its jaws were capable of quick shedding, allowing it to develop a powerful bite force. Dunkleosteus was the top predator in its ecosystem. It hunted other fish and sea creatures. Dunkleosteus has made great contributions when studying evolution theories about armored fish species. Placoderms, such as Dunkleosteus, were a heterogeneous population of primitive jawed vertebrates. The next animal is the Titanoboa. The Titanoboa is an extinct genus of giant serpent that thrived approximately 58 to 60 million years back during the Paleocene era. It is considered the biggest snake ever unearthed, and its fossil remains were located in modern-day La Guajira, northern Colombia. Titanoboa was a massive snake that attained lengths of roughly 40 to 50 feet if the estimates are correct. It resided in an environment characterized as being tropical, and this habitat has since evolved into what is presently known as Sarajan Formation, located within modern-day Colombia. Titanoboa was an apex predator in its ecosystem, preying on a variety of large vertebrates and killing its prey by constricting them like modern-day constrictor boa. The next animal is the Sarcosuchus. The Sarcosuchus is an extinct genus of crocodile species that inhabited the Earth around 1 million years ago, during what we now refer to as the early Cretaceous period. This implies that perhaps it was adapted for the catching of fish and other aquatic victims. Sarcosuchus provides an illustrative case on how different kinds of crocodile-like reptiles used to be a few million years ago. Its huge size and the characteristics it had of a lifestyle in water make it an interesting topic when studying prehistoric ecosystems. The next animal is the Helicoprion. The Helicoprion was an extinct genus of shark-like fish that lived 290 to 220 million years ago. Helicoprion inhabited marine environments, and its fossils have been found in various locations, including North America, Asia, and Europe. Helicoprion is distinguished by its unusual tooth whorl teeth that form a unique tooth whorl. The tooth whorl was probably utilized by Helicoprion for the capture and processing of prey, although its exact workings remain a topic of active research. However, this distinguishing feature in chondrichthyans constitutes an interesting evolutionary design that fossil evidence managed to preserve. The next animal is the Deinonychus. The Deinonychus is a genus of theropod dinosaur that lived during the early Cretaceous period 145 million years ago. Deinonychus was a medium-sized dinosaur with an estimated length of about 10 feet and a height of around 3.3 feet. It was a member of the dromaeosaurid family of dinosaurs, which includes other famous types such as Velociraptor. The name Deinonychus comes from Greek words that mean terrible claw, due to its powerful retractable hook-shaped rear legs. They were estimated to be around 10 feet and could probably stand about 3 feet high. Deinonychus theropod was certainly a carnivore, hunting smaller dinosaurs or even early mammals for his food. Studies from the fossils as well as anatomical features have it as skeletal features like a wishbone that are found in birds. The next animal is the Pentecopterus. The Pentecopterus is an ancient genus of Eurypterid, which was regarded as a sea scorpion. 467 to 458 million years ago was the time when it lived during the Silurian period. Pentecopterus was a large Eurypterid with an estimated overall size around about 1.7 meters. Fossils of Pentecopterus were found in the Silurian-aged rocks from Upper Iowa Formation in northeastern part of Iowa, USA. Pentecopterum had lived within marine habitat and its fossils were discovered inside ancient coast waters. Eurypterids were found in various ecological niches, with some swimming-oriented species and others more bottom-living ones. The last animal is the Foraminifera. The Foraminifera is an extinct genus of gigantic rodents that lived in the Miocene epoch, which was 8 to 10 million years ago. It is remarkable because it ranks among the biggest rodents that ever lived, with an estimated length of about 5.5 feet and a weight of around 700. Fossils of Foraminifera have been found in different parts, especially in South America, particularly Venezuela and Brazil. Its large size suggests adaptations for grazing on vegetation just like modern-day rodents do. This is one of the many South America giant mammals during the time when the continent was home to a diverse array of large mammals. And there you have it, brave time travelers. We've unearthed the stories of some of the scariest extinct animals that once prowled the earth. If you found this journey through prehistory both fascinating and spine-tingling, give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below.